So before I get questions, why should you do a Trunnion upgrade? Well, reason number one is the design for the needle bearings on the original LS. It has like an outer shell, and after abuse of power, it has a chance of, now I'm not saying it's going to, but that outer shell may working its way out just a little bit, pushing needle bearings out one by one. You know, it's not going to happen for sure, but it's a possibility that it can happen because it has happened before. So with the Trunnion upgrade, it's going to have a stronger alloy Trunnion, and they're designed to where your needle bearings won't just fall out or get pressed out of your rocker arm. It's just a good upgrade. It's just a good cheap upgrade. It's not hard to do. Anybody can do it. So why not do it? I mean, if it helps from keeping your engine from getting burnt, why not do it? Like I said, it's not always going to happen. There's nothing wrong with the design of the LS rocker arms. It's a really good, strong design. But whenever you got a strong spring and stuff like that, you're going to want to upgrade to a Trunnion, or Trunnion, whatever you want to call it, because the stronger alloy steel and the way the design is for the needle bearings. So I just thought I'd throw that in there before we get started on this video, so y'all stay tuned. So guys, all you need to push out your old Trunnions is a 1/2 inch socket, and a socket big enough for the Trunnion to slide into. You're going to put it on the bottom. So that's real easy. So
What? You ain't using a damn good socket for picking a bust, are you? To get it closer, you take the pin out and pull it up a notch and roll it up. Come out or break?
Yep.
I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
Alright guys, so when installing your Trunnion kit, there's a lettered side. See, this side ain't got nothing on it. On this side, if you look very carefully, there's writing right here. That's always going to point to the outer edge of your rocker, like that. So what you want to do first is we're fixing to go over there to the press, and we're going to drop this in. So we're just basically going to put it just like that. We're going to press it flat in there, make sure she's level. So let me show y'all how to do that. Alright, so we got our rocker sitting on top of our bearing with the letters facing down. And so what we're fixing to do is we're just fixing to press up against this. And just like that, you put in your first bearing. So after you get that one in, what we're going to do is put the washers they provided us on this. So let me see. Here's your you're going to slide your trunnion in there just like that, and you're going to put a washer on the bottom. Get the washer. So first off, it came with one like that. I'm just going to slide on the bottom, and then you're going to get your other bearing for the top. Don't forget to keep your letters facing outwards, and then all you're going to do is simply press down. Let me get some more height on this. That way it don't take a gear. And you're going to press down on that to get it flush with your trunnion.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity.
Just to get it started, then you're going to back it off. So now, after you get it started, you're going to slide this other washer they gave you on top, making sure that it is even with the bearing on the inside.
So I could see how you react, how you react to
If you feel too much pressure, just back off just a little bit. Move it around. And then it'll catch. And then once you get it flush, back off. And there you are. So after you get your bearings in there, then we can put the needle bearings in there. Let me bring that right over here to the table. Excuse the mess on the table. Have a lot of stuff going on at the shop. So I got the Brian Tooley Racing kit, but you can get any kit. They're all the same, honestly. Just whichever name you prefer. So after you put that in, it comes with a full set of locking rings. So what you're gonna need is a pair of locking pliers, something like that. All right. Finally went to town and grabbed me some snap ring pliers. I thought I had some in the drawer over here, but they were all too big for what I was doing. So anyways, back to what I was doing. Snap ring. There we go. Yep, there she went. After a little bit of fighting with that. This is the first set I've ever done, so bear with me on this. And your other side. Make sure that snap ring's in there good. And then make sure she's freewheeling, and that is how you do a Trunnion upgrade. So anyways guys, it's that easy to install. Like I said, this is my first time ever installing a Trunnion, or whatever you want to call it, Trunnion, whatever. So it turned out real easy. I'm not going to record the rest of that because it's just nonsense. They're all going to be the same way. So anyways, one more thing before I go. Like I said, this is my first LS build I'm doing. If you know a better way to do anything at all, or have any suggestions on parts or anything like that, let me know, because I'll be more than glad to look into it. Like I said, I don't know everything. This is my first LS build, so I'm all ears. I mean, tell me what y'all think. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, if I'm doing anything wrong. You know, just let me know, because you guys are going to help me out if I am doing something wrong and I don't know nothing about it. So anyways, I just thought I'd throw that in there. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Like and subscribe for me to stay updated on the LS build. I'm trying to get a hold of the guy for my valve springs, so I can borrow his tool again to put my valve springs in. So if so, that'll be the next video. If not, my pistons are supposed to come in tomorrow, so I'm either going to do the head or pistons for the next video. Thank y'all. And again, hit that like and subscribe button. Y'all have a good one.